Meet James, a Texas homeowner who was fed up with outrageous summer electric bills and constant power outages. He turned to Energy Sage to explore solar options, and Solar SME immediately stood out with one of the best prices and a clear, honest explanation of everything he needed to know. James partnered with us to install a hybrid solar system, complete with high-efficiency panels and a battery backup. The entire process was smooth, hassle-free, and handled by our expert team from start to finish. Now, not only is James protected from outages, but he's also selling his excess power back to the utility through one of the top solar buyback programs in Texas. He's not just saving, he's earning. For James, going solar was the best decision he's made. And we at Solar SME made sure it was totally worth it.